Yeah. Straight to me right here. Right side, right side.
All of you.
No sarcasm. Waving hand. Right here.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to bring into this conference another major player in the film community, Mr. Marco Mueller, Artistic Director of the Venice Film Festival, with some heartbreaking news for you. Thank you for being with us this morning, Marco. Please take a seat. Absolutely. No.
I'm especially happy to announce today that the Venice Gégé Lecoutre Glory to the Filmmaker Award 2010 will honor the work of the great Indian filmmaker Mani Ratnam.
Oh. Awesome. 2,000 years ago, our epics were written about black, white, and gray, and about the hunter and the hunted. It doesn't mean the hunter is always the bad guy and the hunted is the sympathetic one. The hunted, this one, could be dangerous than the hunter himself. So this film talks about if the hunter can understand the pain of the hunted, and if the hunted can actually understand the hunger of the hunter, how life could be.
If Mani comes to you with a film, before he knocks on your door, you should be saying yes. And you know he's going to give you something special, something challenging. Our last two films have proved just that. And a point of concern for me was when he said he wanted to do another film, apart from being elated at the fact of getting to work with him again, was how do we top what we did last, which was Guru. And when he told me the concept of Ravan, I knew that we had something very special on hand. In the film Ravan, Bira, the character, is the most simple, the most straightforward, and the most unambiguous character in the film. What I liked was, for him as a character, there's right and there's wrong. Although, as Hasti ma'am was saying, there is the question of what is white, what is black, what is grey. For Bira, there's only black and white. You're either right or you're wrong. Mani has always taken Indian cinema to a different level. And I hope that we achieve that with Ravan as well. And we're very happy to be here at Cannes, representing the film, representing Mani. We're very thankful to Reliance for the support they've given us. And we're here because we believe, apart from the great audience that Mani enjoys back home, that it's about time that the world was introduced to this genius called Mani Ratnam. And all of us, especially the actors, the team of Ravan, feels very privileged that we've been given the opportunity to take part in this film and become a part of his dream.
This film, I think, is going to show India in its different beautiful spaces. Like, you've seen India, you've seen a lot of films made in India, but I can promise you that we've shot in certain locations that no one has ever traversed. Like, no one has ever traversed those areas. We've gone to some really remote jungles and...
They're not even on the map.
Yeah, they're not even on the map. Like, some of these places are places I've just heard for the first time. And when you see those places, like when we were there, I was thinking it's so beautiful. How come no other filmmaker has ever seen these places?
He is nasty to me on screen in this film, because he has to be. That's the character, and you just have to do it as honestly as you can. But yes, it definitely was. It was special that, when you have a long, tiring day on a daily basis for a long schedule, you come back home and you have each other, and that was a slight advantage.
That's the part I miss.
There was a slight advantage there, but the days were long, so you'd really be so bushed, and the next morning is so early. You barely had that little bit of time for TLC, but that definitely was wonderful. Thank you all very much for being with us today.